mother's crying. She's teary-eyed. Oh, first si Ate Lois pa. Ate Lois. Yes. Ate Lois. Ate Lois. Oh, Ate Lay. Tang Rose. Ma, pawin mo. Wow! Ito. Ito naman metong. Hindi dyan mo nakanta ba? Alcohol, kating ko. Uy, taluin mo. Diba? Eh, tindinalan. Uy, Maya again. Ninoy again.
Mga pagagaling.
Oh, next.
Pagagaling naman po niya.
Late Luxer Boys eh. Oh, ito pang box. From the Bushu family. Bushu special mention. Lambalo mo na yan, nano yun. Oh, social. Wow, gusto ko tayo. Lawin mo lama. Lawin mo pen. Masanting la. Wow. Oh, yan o. Tinan ko. Sukat mo la. Ay, kalap. Ay, santing la. Pangiyamanin la.
Yang beses ko niya. Yang beses. Yan din may George. Pot na may patiya ka dito. Ano lata ka?
Wow! Sukat mo lang at dua. Sukat mo na pareho. Sukat mo na pareho. Lako mo lang yung box.
Suntingda?
Wow! Suntingda. Oh, wow. Oh, balik mo lang yung box ka niyan.
Palagi ako. Lalo yung gumagawa.
Ay! Open! Open!
Ano nga papamala?
20 pesos lang yan. Ano ko papalon na silipang na lang?
Katal. Libre, be. Lamin mo lang.
Reveal ka na reveal.
Katal, oh.
Pagkain talaga.
Hindi, cut guys. Cut.
Saya!
Ay, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day.
Ay, hindi mo po ito diyang cash. Hindi mo po ito diyang cash.
Sabi niya po yan, okay, mama.
Go in. Ooh, nice.
Huling kita dahil naman.
Mag-spot kami. Kenny may tiro. Kenny. Monopod. Na ako mag-post. Oh, amata. Kadya kaya mo, banda.
One eternity later.
Diretso kan.
A few minutes later.
Wow, they're pasalubong, the boys. As they went out. It's Greenwich. It's KFC. It's KFC again. And a DQ. Ooh, it will melt. This one is Coco. The suho. My gulay. So here's our celebration for Mother's Day and Ellie's first month. Yes, Ellie.
Spicy.
Yung spicy.
Sure ka?
Mana ka rin spicy bilang.
You eat na.
Na
Come on, guys.
6.
Where's Lizelle?
9 na rin. 8.
About Ate Lois. Happy Mother's Day to all from all of us.
Baliw.
One of us. Oh, where are the mothers?
Don't join to them. They are like bad influence.
When they're making a cake.
Happy Mother's Day.
Magundo ka bigat. Wala ko pin.
Happy Mother's Day. Ate Candila. Oh.
Happy Mother's Day to all. From all of
Happy Mother's Day
So,
to all from all of us. Happy Masari, Ellie. Siglada. Oh, tataklaya siguro. Happy Masari, Ellie. Ano yung second voice kayo? Happy Mother's Day
so,
from all of us. Dahil boys yung bumili, tingnan nyo naman.
at least walang special mention ng mga names.
Oh, game. Ulit. Kanta. Oy, sing. Let's go, guys. Oy, sing. Sing. Happy Mother's Day
To all.
from all of us. Ulit. One.
Wala mga dila.
One, two. Okay, ulit. Happy Mother's Day
To all.
from all of us. Happy Mansuri. Happy Mansuri. Chut, Ellie. Yay. Woo.
Wala mo ito ano yung kong padasal. Okay, happy Mother's Day to all.
From all of us.
Here we are sa Trinity Cafe, located at Tangle, Mexico, Pampanga. Ito yung place. So, gabi na. So, ayan yung place. Hindi ka na makita. Let's go. Para makakain na. Pasado, oh. Mag-8 na. Let's go, guys. Let's eat. We arrive. Ayan yung ating mga pinamili na ating dinner. Because it's Father's Day. That's why. Let's go. Oink. Okay, let's go eat. This is the Father's Day celebration. So, kumanga na kayo. Kining, sausage. Wala mo kaya na. Wow, sausage.
Kalino rin dyan ng pipi, oh.
Mama. Mama, RJ, Lisel, and me. Ano yun? Meron tayo tanistaan ng adwa yun.
Ay, nagtalo.
Sorry ka na ako.
What's that? What's that?
It's cheesy pasta.
Yes.
No.
Day. Happy Father's Day. Oh, Nano. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Kumusta po kami kumain?
Happy Father's Day!
Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng daddy, papa, tatay.
Happy Father's Day, Mark!
Happy Father's Day sa tatay ko nasa heaven. Happy Father's Day kay Kuya Mark. And Happy Father's Day, Brother George. Ay, dindamda ka. Wow! Woo! Asim kilig. Simkilig. Oh, syempre. Lagi lang mo muna tayong babae.
Depende ka nito na biniyeta.
Daming rice, oh. Makabidyo kayo, ah. Mai, Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, RJ. So, magpa-first mass sila bukas. Magmamas tayo pala. So, we're ending this video. Happy Father's Day sa lahat.